Let's come under HBase, okay, in detail. Now, according to our clients, most of our clients is like a financial clients or retail clients. Our clients, we don't have any graph database or a key value store much. We did POCs, but we are not using. Mostly we have some all NoSQLs. Most of the times we are seeing HBase because our use cases, some use cases, this HBase gives better performance. Okay, what is the use cases? I will tell you. First of all, let's see in detail what is HBase. We know it's one type of storage system, comes under column-oriented category. Type of NoSQL database. NoSQL is generally the meaning is not only SQL, the same points. Okay. The next important point is why HBase came into the picture. Why HBase came into the picture? What is the reason? Many reasons is there. First, make sure you have enough data, and if you have hundreds or millions of or billions of rows, then HBase is a good candidate. If you have millions or billions of records, HBase is a good one. If you have few thousands or millions of rows, then using traditional RDBMS might be the better choice due to the fast, due to the fact that your data might be in the single node or two. So the first point is, if you have millions or billions of records, use HBase. The first point. Second point, make sure you can live without all extra features of RDBMS, providing that columns, secondary indexes, translocations, advanced query language, etc. You don't want those SQL features. It's not required. Then also use HBase. Third reason is make sure you have enough hardware. That means you have enough hardware. Even HBase doesn't do well with anything less than 5 modes. Yep. So you have enough hardware. You want to store big data, then also use HBase. There are 3 major reasons we are using HBase. Then by using HBase, we are storing the data column wise, and we read the data as a column wise. Similarly, what is the difference between HBase and HDFS? HDFS is a file storage system. HBase is also storage system. But what is the difference? Both are separate storage systems. At the same time, HBase on the other hand, it's built on top of HDFS. The built on top of HDFS, similarly how we are providing Hive in top of HDFS. Similarly, HBase also we build top of HDFS and provide the fast record lockups and for large tables. Okay. Generally, this sometimes be a point of conceptual confusion. Okay, but it's possible. HBase internal puts your data in indexes stored files and existing on HFS high-speed lockups. So on top of HFS, we're putting our HBase. Okay. So how the HBase looks like? HBase table looks like. Yes, the HBase table looks like this. So this is our general table, SQL table. This is a general SQL table. Same SQL table, I want to create a HBase table. After table creation completed, it looks like this. It looks like this. Here rows and columns is there, but here only rows. Why we are using HBase? What is the reason? What is the use cases? Let's see one simple use case. For example, I want to know. I want to know the details of that particular URL. The first column is the URL, second column is the URL IDs, third column is the titles, fourth column descriptions and content. This is my data. So here my requirement is I want to know each URL, the details, the particular URL details. As in our SQL, we have index concept is there. If I want third URL details, by the help of index, I am reaching to third URL and I'm taking the first this column URL name. Then I'm going to the next column, taking that ID. Then I'm going to the next column, taking the title. Then next column description. So my cursor internally traveling each and every column. Now SQL also happens same thing. General SQL also internal searching happen column wise. So here HBase, I want third column URL. Anyway, my cursor, all the third URL is available in one column only. So my cursor don't want to travel another column for this URL details. Everything is there in one column only. How to maintain the relation? Yeah, how to create a table? The first question is how to log into HBase shell. How to log into HBase shell? HBase shell, enter. That's it. We are entering into HBase. So I want to list out all the tables. What is the command is there? Show tables. But in our HBase we are using list. It will be helpful to list out all the commands in our HBase, all the tables in HBase, existing tables. And I want to display the data in HBase. Generally, we are select to start from table name. But it's a select to start from table name. We are using simply scan space table name. Scan space table name. It displays the data in our HBase table. Yes, we are in HBase now. I want to see the list of tables. List. That's it. There is no semicolon in our HBase. Table. It will come sometimes. It will be not coming sometimes because it's not fully configured. Yep, it's not coming now. The error is organization zookeeper connection execution error. That's not coming. But the same one, I created some other use case, other tables also. When you are opening the VMware, immediately if you log in with HBase, that time it's working sometimes. Now, I want to create a table in HBase. How to create a table? By using create command. Create table name single quotes, comma, single quotes column names. That's it. Enter. Table is created. After that, if you want to create a table, if you want to insert the records, I want to insert the records into my table. How we are going to insert the records? By using put command. Put space bag name, comma, ID, column name, enter 101. So under column 1, 101 is there. Column 2, 102 is there. Now I want to insert a name. Yes, column 1, name Shiva. Column 2, name Harikrishna, Mohan, like that. You can enter all the names. So here the relation maintained based upon the column family is column 1, column 2, column 3 like that. Okay. So this is a way of syntax to insert the records or delete the records. If you want to delete the records also, we have only drop option is there. Now delete. How to drop is like this. Drop bag name. Drop or table name. Before drop, we want to disable the bag. Once, sorry, not bag, table. Disable the table. Once disable completed, then you can drop the table. If you don't want to drop, disable it. Later, if you want to use, that time you can enable it also. Enable table name. Okay. And one more important point regarding HBase is we have integration also available. We have integration also available, integrating with Hive HBase also. What do you mean by integration? Means if we create a table, both the terminals table is created. In Hive table is created, at the same time HBase also table. How it is? Yes, like this. Create table name, schema, stored by. This is the jar file. This jar file take the responsibility like integrating between Hive and HBase. Integrating between Hive and HBase. What is the jar file? The jar file name is Apache Hadoop Hive.hbase.hbase storage handler. This jar file will take care. So same name. What is the name? Is this same name? EMHH. The table is created in HBase. The same table created in Hive also. If you want different names, also possible, but therefore tabular properties. So create table name, stored by jar file. Again, same schema, but give me your own name. So that different names will be there. If we insert a record in our HBase, that record updated in a Hive table also. If we do any operations in the Hive table, that records updated in our HBase table also. How it is possible? This jar file taking care. The jar file taking care of the responsibility, integrating between Hive and HBase. And at the same time, by using Scoop also, we are importing data from warehouse to HBase table directly. That's also possible. The command is almost similar. Scoop import connect the URL, JDBC URL, username, password, table name, upname is common. Upname is common. And one extra thing is HBase table name, column family, and create table name. So the table is created in the table. MySQL data will be there. Scoop will bring those MySQL data or any other data into HBase table. So that is the terminology regarding HBase. Yeah, it listed all the tables. List A star B. That means starts from A, end from B. The table starts from A letter, end with B letter. The table will be displaying list E star. That means the table starts from E. That displaying scan EMP. Yes, displaying the data in that EMP table. So this is a terminology comes under HBase. Yeah, this is not like a complete HBase practical 100%. Because of this administrating stuff, we have only flexibilities there, like knowing the terminologies only.